Here, a complex case I could not solve without digital and the use of the resonance frequency analysis. It was decided, as you can imagine, to remove all the teeth, and we first do it virtually. Then we create a wax up and we start to plan the implant. Because guided surgery is prosthetic driven, we plan a bone reduction guide with the help of a stackable guide, and that will next guide us to place the implants. The guides are 3D printed with a medical grade resin, and once the base guide is placed, we proceed to the bone reduction with a piezotome. Then we place the implant, and everything went well. We got a very good insertion torque on all the implants. The multi-unit abutments, they are placed at 35 newtons. And then we measure the ISQ directly on the abutments. That way, we can follow up the score a few weeks or a few months later. And remember, I told you scores can be different at implant level and abutment level. And of course, I won't remove the abutment in the future, just for ISQ purpose. So the surgery went well, but one ISQ measurement appeared to be weak. And the ISQ results, they are all collected on a free online platform for all the hostel users that is called hostelconnect.com. And you can read that one implant is a range. I told you that's okay for immediate loading in a holoneck strategy, but one implant is red. And red means no, and I cannot trust that implant for immediate loading. So what I decided is merely put a healing cap and leave that implant a few months. So we went all on 5 instead of all on 6 for the provisional bridge. The torque was okay. One question, would I lose that implant if I choose to load it? I don't know, maybe not. I just didn't want to take any risk and dive into a loss of opportunity. The ISQ score must be evaluated with the torque, and of course, if you have a very low torque, there is no need for ISQ.